Hello my dear friends, welcome to this course. Do you really want to understand what native English speakers say? Do you want to understand movies, films, animations without English subtitle? Do you want to learn the most common English idioms, slangs, and expressions? If yes, you have come to the right place. You know guys, American and English people use many idioms and expressions in their speech and conversations. So that's why sometimes English is a bit difficult for learners. But don't worry, we will help you understand everything. As you know, idioms are a group of words that have specific and special meanings. So here in this course, we have been trying to choose and select the most common idioms, expressions, and slangs that are commonly used by native people.
Oh. Would you just give me a break?
Give me a break.
Give me a break.
Okay, give me a break here. I'm just children.
Oh, give me a break.
So here in this course, you will learn many common expressions, idioms in different sentences, conversations, and clear explanations. You will also get the chance to see how these expressions and idioms are pronounced by native speakers. And guys, keep in mind that we will add 3 new idioms each week. So make sure to stay here.
I hear it's been raining cats and dogs in Idaho.
Shit! I hear it's raining cats and dogs in Idaho.
But I hear it's raining cats and dogs in Idaho.
Whoa! It's raining cats and dogs out there!
And this is Ahmad Rabiee, your English teacher. I have been teaching English over 10 years. I'm glad to be here teaching you. I always focus on speaking. I hold TESOL and CELTA certificates. I am also a Cambridge University certified teacher. Please feel free to ask us your questions. Thank you. Enjoy learning common American English idioms.